Hi everyone, Alex at Corumdale Farm. We went on a little vacation, a 5-day getaway over Labor Day weekend, and we just landed and got back from the airport. I dropped the kids off at the table to have their dinner, and I thought I'd pop out here with the camera to see how everything's doing, because when you go away on vacation, things could either be disaster or you could come back to a ton of really exciting things, and I'm not sure quite which way it's gonna go. Our flower farm field is on drip irrigation, so I'm not too worried about that. I'm more worried about bug issues and just wanting to see how much has grown since I've been gone. But my raised garden here behind me is not irrigated. It requires hand watering. It is 1,800 square feet and it takes a long time to water, so I feel bad asking someone to come as often as I think it needs it, but I was able to get away with 2, and our wonderful friends came and watered twice for us, and I trust them. I think they did a great job, but I'm still curious to see how things fared with our very high bug pressure, because I'm constantly out here dealing with the bugs, and the bugs had free reign for 5 or 6 days. So let's go look. All right, I don't see anything awful. My corn, ooh, did I hear an animal? Maybe. My corn has grown and I've got corn growing, which is super exciting. I don't see any germination on my carrots and I'm a little worried about that. I think I'm probably gonna have to reseed these. But let's look on this side. Yes! So these are my pelleted carrots. Let's get close here. My pelleted seed carrots, and they are all up. So it looks like the pelleted is the winner. But also I'm noticing a pumpkin vine is growing through. It's running out of room. Oh goodness, look at this. It's taken over. It really does look like a very untidy chaos jungle. But that's okay. Lots of fun things to work on. My tomato plant is officially 6.5 feet tall. But let's come look around here. Let's come look right here. My dahlias are a lot taller. Oh, and they're putting on buds. So I should be able to see some opening here soon. Oh, gross. Grasshoppers. But look at this giant, likely bug ridden. Oh yeah, look at this. These have just been eaten to death by something. Oh boy. This sweet pumpkin might not be with us much longer. But that's okay. Look at this zucchini though. Look at this zucchini. Do I have any fruit? I see one little fruit. I have to go through and bug inspect. These bugs have been left alone for way too long. Just doing a quick lap of the garden. These are my birdhouse gourds, and there are a crazy amount more vines and leaves than when I left. Oh my gracious. Look at that, it's like completely covered. How fun is that? And the leaves largely look really healthy. Oh, that makes me happy. What do we have over here? More dahlias. Some more buds. Oh, look at this. Look at this dahlia. I hear an animal. Look at this one. Look at all these flower buds they're sending up. How exciting. But man, do I need to do some bug mitigation here. I think my little mouse is hiding in my tomatoes. pollinator garden is wonderful. The tomatoes again have grown like crazy. I'm noticing, I knew this was gonna happen. I knew it. My little mouse friend is eating my bean sprouts. Darn it. Darn it. No beans till I get that figured out. Oh well. I've got tons of bell peppers waiting for me, which is exciting. These plants are just chock full. Probably really want to fertilize as well. They look very hungry. But this is cracking me up. Let me show you this. Look at my hyacinth bean arch. Can you even tell that there's a bench hiding under there? Look at this. So if you need a climbing vine, hyacinth bean is the way to go. My zucchini plant is still alive, and I see a squash bug and a cucumber beetle, but also a giant zucchini. I'll be back for you, squash bug, when I'm done with my tour. Ooh, tomatoes here look a bit disastrous with no trellis. That happens. Oh gracious. Look, there's not even a pathway between my cucumbers and these just out of control tomatoes. I wonder if I have any cucumbers under here. Maybe. It's really bug heaven right now. I'm a little nervous. Ooh, and I have dahlias opening. Ooh, I'm a little nervous right now. But look, let's go look at the dahlias. They've got bug damage because I've been gone. But look at how pretty. The white. And look at this purple one. Look at that. And I've got some huge buds waiting to open. Gotta get my organza bags out, cover them up, help them with some of this bug issue. But look. Yay! This tomato is growing up the trellis like crazy. Already as tall as me. It's cherry tomato. This is crazy untrellised tomatoes. Oh my goodness. How many times am I going to say my goodness? Got some in there though. I'll be back tomorrow to give you guys a haircut. Don't you worry. I'm back. Yes, I was hoping this would still be here. I left when this orange tomato was green. Oh no, it's been eaten. Dang it! Look how perfect it looks. And then, oh wait, no. It's still good. Look. That'll make a good tomato sandwich. I've got more bell peppers over here. I'm gonna have bell peppers coming out of my ears, which is super exciting. Peppers look great. Second set of cucumbers look great. Again, needs a good bug spray and whoa. Okay, this is what happens when you leave and you can't harvest your cucumbers. Oh boy. That'll be fun though. Oh, my sunflowers are germinated. You guys look great. You guys look great. You make me so happy. You make me so happy. Look. A whole perfect row. Well, I would say all in all, things in here look pretty darn good. Everything is alive. It really just comes down to bug damage and some pruning. Wait, I see the mouse. I see you, little rat. Get out. Get out. Get out. You're eating my beans. Eating my beans. Dislike. All right, let's look at some other parts. Let's go look over at the flower farm and the perennial garden. Next to the raised garden is my perennial garden. This is a little bit of like chaotic Jungleville, but I really love it. I love how full and green it is. Some of the green is Bermuda grass, but hey, we'll pretend that doesn't exist. But look at all of these sunflowers. Those are all sunflowers with buds. Got more surprise lilies. Those popped up while I was gone. And look at you. Oh, you're so nice. Lovely weed. Beautiful cannas. I definitely have an animal in my cantaloupe, which is eating a lot of my cantaloupe. I think maybe an armadillo, which is a bummer, but we've also had a lot of cantaloupe so far this season, so I should be more sharing. But look at these, whoa, grasshoppers. Oh, my husband's gonna have a heart attack when he sees all these weeds. But all I see is an army of sunflowers. Not too bad. So before I end this little quick reaction walk around vlog, I'm going to head over to the flower field, which is irrigated. And what I did before I left is I cut almost every single sellable stem I could. Made bouquets. I think I made 15 bouquets. I sold all of them, which is extra exciting. And I really gave the field a haircut so that it could be working on reblooming, reflushing while I'm gone. So I wasn't leaving money on the plant and losing money because those blooms would not be good for a full week. And then I could come home to just stunning flowers to harvest so I can start selling flowers tomorrow. So let's go check it out. Oh my goodness. I am seeing so much color. You guys, when I left, let me get a little closer. When I left, this zinnia patch had like no color on it. I cut every single stem and look, oh my goodness, look how it has flushed back. Look at this flower. It's as big as my palm. Oh my goodness. You guys, there's so much. I can barely walk through here. Look at these. Oh, the flowers are going to be so good tomorrow in tomorrow's bouquets. Look at this. And look how beautiful it all looks. I need to go check on the sunflowers. On my way to the sunflowers, this celosia, you guys, is taller than me almost. It is an explosion of color. Ooh, grasshoppers. And when I left, there was no cosmos either, and they're coming back. Oh, this is the most exciting thing ever. Okay, sunflowers. Ooh, some are gonna bloom. All right. Look at this perfect man. Oh my goodness. And no bug damage. I am coming for you guys tomorrow. Oh, it's so good. Look at this with the bumblebee. I know, buddy. Isn't he delicious? Wow. Tomorrow's gonna be absolutely crazy. I got a couple more weenie ones over there. My succession planting looks good also. I direct sowed a lot. And I see a good amount coming up. I have a hard time direct sowing in my property because of animal and bug pressure. But I've got some. Most of the holes are filled, which was the goal. Grow, guys, grow. Grow so strong. Okay, last but not least, pumpkins. The pumpkin patch is a little bit of no man's land because I planted too close together and I can't actually get in there to really treat for bugs. So I'm just letting everything pretty much fend for itself. And it is what it is at this point. Seeing a lot of cucumber beetles, which is my problem. But I also see butternut squash is still going. I see this little pumpkin friend wants to join the flower field. You're not a flower. You're not a flower. Oh, but I do see pumpkins in there. Look at this sweet guy. Look at him. Woo! These cucumber beetles though, my goodness. I see, oh, you guys, look at this one. This is a pumpkin. Look at him. He's being eaten though. I might need to harvest him. You know, I think, you guys, I think that pumpkin patch needs to go. I think I need to take it out. This bug pressure that I'm creating is going to be horrible for my flowers, so, oh boy. It was a fun experiment, but also a very, very, very big lesson learned, sadly, that pumpkins and organic gardening techniques don't really go together. Don't really go together. Oh boy. Positive, positive, positive. I do have like a ginormous pumpkin growing, I see. I'm gonna see if I can get close enough to these disgusting bugs. Look at that pumpkin. You see it in there? All right, guys. I think this might be it. Might be it for the good old pumpkin patch. Goodbye, pumpkin patch. I will end on a positive note, standing in the flower portion of the field, not the pumpkin field, which has just evolved into just such a sad disaster. But that's okay. You live and you learn. I'll make changes next year. And it won't be as bad, I don't think. But I'm so thankful that things look as good as they do for going on vacation. If you want to have a productive farm or garden, it's really not advisable to go on vacation. But it does also help if you have, I'm trying to stay in front of the sun, you have trustworthy friends that know what they're doing and can help you out, and you have a really reliable irrigation system. I think in both instances it really helped. And I didn't have quite as much damage as I was expecting in the raised garden and the flower field. So I'm really, really happy, and I've got a ton of work to do tomorrow. See you in the next video.